Welcome to another episode of At Your Warehouse. I'm McSkees, and today I have a submission from Old Banks John, and it's pretty crazy, I would say. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen in a warehouse or pulling or order selector. So I had to get it out there before someone else did. It started off with a comment on my most recent video. He said, "In our warehouse, we mainly all use cherry pickers. Surprisingly, you can pick a decent amount if you know what you're doing." I said, "What's a cherry picker, like a forklift?" He said, "Yes, but the forklifts are behind you as you drive like a jack, but it's able to go up high and such too. We make a mixed pallet, like cooler, dry, freezer requirements, high level picks, meaning we need a cherry picker. We all mostly stay on them, as switching between picker and jack would take up a lot of your time. We don't do 2 pallets at a time either, as we are at this smaller warehouse, which is chill." Anyway, so then he messaged me in the Discord, and he mentioned that he could post a video, and I said, "That'd be great. I'd love to see that." And anyway, so here it is. So this guy, it seems to me he is riding on the forks, and he is walking on the pallet, which is, I don't know if this is OSHA approved. I don't know what country this is in, but basically this is a high lift that he's standing on, but he's driving it from the forks, and this thing raises and lowers. He goes up to slots, pulls stuff off. I think he has a harness on, but it doesn't look like it's attached to anything. And 2/3 pallet. So yeah, this is pretty nuts how he's doing this. Like, he is on the pallet, and if this thing raises, he's on it too. So I don't know how many times I've seen pallets just snap in midair. That's probably the most dangerous pulling I've ever seen in my life. But I don't know. Maybe that's totally legit here in the U.S. I doubt it. It's got to be another country. He hasn't responded yet for what country this is in. But either way, that is crazy. And yeah, if you are pulling like that, I would love to see how y'all are doing that, and I'd like to see the equipment that you're using. I seen another. Here, I'll play it again real quick, because right in the beginning, he passes somebody right there, and it looks like it looks like a high lift, but there's no entry point there for somebody to actually sit in it and drive it. They're on the forks. This is absolutely nuts. Anyway, this is some of the orders that he's picking with that cherry picker. He's picking full orders with this, and I was like, "How do you pick that with a high lift?" And that's what I was so confused. And he stacks this with that technique. He's walking on the pallet. He's going up in the air and getting these picks from upper pick slots. I'm almost positive he's doing that, because that's what he was talking about, going up high with it. So but yeah, he said he would make a video about it, and so he did. So that's really cool. Next, I'm going to talk about the contest that's going on, the case per hour contest for a $25 Amazon gift card. So somebody's already submitted evidence of 516 cases per hour, all right, in an 8-hour shift, which is absolutely insane to me. This guy is Bamboo, I think his name is. Yeah, Bamboo. And I didn't believe it. I looked into it. I've looked at these numbers, and I'm pretty sure they're legit. And then he shows a video showing him pulling, and I know I've seen this before. I'm not going to show the whole thing because I don't want to get copyright. But this guy, he's a very quick puller. Now, the difference between him pulling and me pulling, I don't know if it's that big of a difference, but he's got a self-driving jack. As you see, this thing will start driving up for him. So that really changes the game when you can have a jack drive itself, and so that makes a huge difference. But not downplaying him at all. He's definitely a fast puller. But check out his YouTube channel. what is it called? Bombu, Bombu. Check it out. And he's got some great videos on there. I haven't seen him before till now. I think he might have been on Tim Reviews Everything before. But yeah, check him out. He looks legit. And yeah, he's an amazing puller, and he's probably our winner. I doubt anybody is going to reach 500 cases per hour. I really doubt. If you can do it, show them up. But I don't believe that it's possible to go any. But I didn't believe 500 cases was possible either. I thought I was the best. I'm clearly not the best. I'm by far from the best. But and then again though, it's hard to be accurate when you have different equipment, different warehouses, you have different setups. He's pulling more cases per slot than what I normally would pull, and his jack is a self-driving jack. That there's no way I can compete with that. Now, if I had somebody driving my jack, which they've done before, I can pull that quick because I'm not having to keep going up and crank that jack up or ride that jack. So I can just run alongside it. But yeah, he's still an amazing puller, and that's probably our winner. But you have till February 24th to submit your evidence, and I will look at it, and you could win the $25 gift card as well. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a great day.